Hello and welcome back for another lesson. Let's see how best we can design our data entry worksheet. So you continue from our previously saved Microsoft Excel workbook. So kindly open that and let's see how best we can get this particular project out of the way. And this should open shortly. I've already designed it. So what I'll do is I'll let you see what I've designed and how I designed it step by step for you to appreciate the powerful features of Excel. So this is what I have designed. So how do you do that? And that is what we are here to find out. So data entry. So what you need to do is, if you look at what I've done, I've finished creating all the 99 worksheets for my various SBAs for the various subjects and the respective classes. Okay, so having got that out of the way, you should create this. If you've not done that from the previous lesson, please do that. So we go back. So I'll click here and select the plus to create a new sheet. So you have to name it data entry. So I'm going to teach you how to design that from scratch. Okay, the name already exists, so I'll make it data entry 1. When I finish, I'll delete it. So we need to have student list and grading system and subject, because one is a situation where if you click on student list, it will take you to the student list. Then I need to go back, so you put all of that in the system. When we start looking at linking it, then we come to our grading system. So let's go back to our data entry. So we have student list grading system. So I'll come type student list, then I'll do grading system. Okay, so my student list is there, my grading system is there. What's next? What's next is first term and result entry. So I'll come here, first term result entry. Good. So once I do that, then I look at the next thing I need to do, class or form. So I'll come here, then I'll type class or form. So once I've gotten my first term result entry, the next thing I need to do is to look at subject. Okay, so let me bring my class or form. Let me actually cut it, bring it here. Then I'll bring subject. So for the subject, we have sub 1. So the first subject through to the 11th subject. So you do an autofill. Then we can do a merge and a center like this. So class or form is here. I'll do a merge and a center. Then first term result entry should be merged and centered like that. Then we need to also have the various classes from our grading system, which is if it is A1 through to AG2, that these are the respective classes. So what do I need to do? I come to data entry for this. I'll tap it is equal to on the keyboard so that we use cell reference. Then I come and pick grading system and subject. So I'll just pick this first term because it runs through for all. So I only pick the first term. Then I'll hold and drag to the last class. Okay, so the last class is AG2. And I need to do same for the subject. So subjects, I come to my grading system. Then I'll do same for this. So this is English language. Then I'll drag to the last. Okay, so English language H17. So you need to move to H18. So I think there's a mistake there. Okay, so we are looking at H, but it is picking it from HIJK. That's not what we want. So you need to go to H17, H18, and all of that. So I come here, data entry. So what I'll do is I'll copy and paste it across like this. So H17, okay, I'll make it an absolute reference, FN F4. You highlight it in the formula bar, then you apply F4, which is dollar sign, dollar sign. If you are using a laptop, at times when you hit on F4, it will not work. So you need to combine FN and F4. Okay, H17, so I'll copy, then I'll paste it throughout. Then I'll manually change it. So H17, then I come in here, H18, H19, H20, H21, H22, H23, H24, H25, H26, H27. Okay, so I'll just do a double click and check, right click. Once it is in between B and C, I right click, then I'll select column width. This is 17.22, so in order to be consistent, I'll select the column headings. I right click, then I'll see column width, then I'll see what 17.22, and automatically it is adjusted for us. Then we also need to apply absolute reference to this, because if you copy and paste, it will change the order. So FN, F4, FN, F4, FN, F4, FN, F4, FN and F4, FN, F4, FN, F4, FN and F4, FN and F4, FN and F4, or F4 on the keyboard. Then when I come here, I'll do a wrap text so that I can just collapse this a little bit. Yeah, good. This grading system, okay, is not showing student list, so I'll need to, let's say, cut this and bring it here so that I can merge and center my student list. Then my grading system is there. So the rest is up to us to do the various formatting. So we have subject 1, right? So this should be equal to, so we come to our grading system. So this is our subject 1, like this, H17. So we do FN, F4, like this. Okay, we just leave it as sub 1 because we'll be making reference to the SBAs, like so that's what we'll be doing. So we maintain it as sub 1, then we hold and we drag, then we just have to copy, select the entire range, then you paste. As simple as that. Good. So this for first term. So once we've been able to get the first design, the rest is up to us to apply the various word colors. Then probably increase the font size, Control B to make it bold. Then you come here. So what I'll do is I'll select this entire stretch, select this particular design, and then what do? I come in here, select this color, then I'll do same for this. So I need to come back, pick this, and select that. So class of form, then we have what? Student list. So for student list, we are using this particular color. So the grading system is also yellow. So I'll select this, come in here, and pick what yellow, and change this to what black so that we can see. Then I'll just select this in its entirety. And what do? I'll come to the styles group and probably select this color. Now let's see if I can automatically adjust it so that they have equal weight. Okay, elective maths. Okay, something like this. So you can always adjust it to the preferred column weight. So once you finish with first term, the rest is just simple. So you do that. Let me see if I've done this. Okay, absolute references. So you just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. So how many have I pasted? So first term, you have second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, and ninth term. So all you need to do is to make changes. So you just click in it, then you come in here to write second term, then you go to the next one, you say third term, enter. You do the fourth, then you do the fifth, then you proceed to look at sixth term, then you look at 7, you look at 8, then you proceed to the 9. So this basically solves our data entry. So when you finish, the rest is up to you to apply various colors to distinguish the academic years. So this is one academic year, first and second term, third term, then fourth, fifth, sixth is also another academic year, then seventh, eighth, and ninth is also an academic year. So basically that is how you design it, and I want you to work on that. So when we come back for the next lesson, we will look at how best we can link the student list, the grading system to their respective worksheet, and also link all of these to the 99 separate worksheets that we've created within this terminal report system workbook. So I'll just delete this because I've already created it. So when you finish, you apply a color to it. So I'm going to delete this. I don't need it. It's deleted. I just wanted to show you how it was done. Then I'll just save it. And in our next lesson, when we meet, God willing, we will continue to look at how best all these respective sheets can be linked. So thank you very much, and God bless, and please do what to practice. If you encounter any difficulty, do what to call me. Let's chat on WhatsApp, then I'll be able to assist. Thank you, and God bless.